You know those recipes you see online that you just need to make immediately because you cannot stop thinking about them? I really hope that's not just me, but when I saw this on Cook at Erica's page, I knew I was going to be making it soon. These are French onion soup pork chops. I am just patting them dry, seasoning them with kosher salt and pepper, and then in my cast iron pan, I'm going to melt a little bit of butter and give them a good sear on each side. I'm not trying to cook these all the way, I just want to get them nice and golden brown like this. Then I'm going to take those out, add in 2 sliced onions with a little bit of butter, a pinch of salt. Keep cooking them, let them get nice and brown and caramelized. When they look like this, add a little bit of balsamic vinegar, mix that all together, cover it with some beef stock. I added a little bit of Dijon mustard. Just keep cooking it, it will get really thick, and then I smothered it over the pork chops, topped it with some provolone cheese, threw it in the oven to melt. This was freaking amazing. Let me know if you guys try it.